Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Wave Rider 10 by Mizuno in collaboration with British sneaker store Footpatrol. It comes in a cardboard box with purple and grey splatters in the corners, plus white Mizuno and Footpatrol branding. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper. An extra set of grey and purple rope laces are also included, which was a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. 2020 marks Footpatrol's 20th anniversary, bringing a petrology theme to the Wave Rider 10. Inspired by the weathering process of rocks and minerals, it sports a multi-material upper that includes a fossil grey hairy suede, nubuck and mesh upper, with hits of pale pistachio and rust purple nubuck. All of this sits on a light brown speckled midsole. The themes of asymmetry in nature can also be seen on the mismatched branded insoles, the left shoe with Footpatrol and right shoe with Mizuno branding at the tongue and heel. I even noticed that the right shoe had a lower grain suede compared to the left pair. But this could be a manufacturing defect, so let me chill. Sizing wise, I stay true to my US 10 and it's definitely wide foot friendly. As you can tell, I'm very impressed with this release. It's lightweight with a mild cushioned ride, great traction and materials. I'm grateful for the guys at Footpatrol for the raffle win. Thanks for watching. Please comment right to show me you watched this video to the end. Apart from that, have a good day.